Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Launch your Node.js application in 3 minutes without DevOps help. We can following only 5 steps. Step 1. Log into your AWS account. And step 2. Choose the Amazon Lightsail service from the menu. And step 3. Within the Lightsail dashboard, locate and click the Create Instance button. And step 4. Choose your desired region and select the preferred platform and then choose the desired application and operating system, and then Amazon providing 3-month free plan, and finally enter your project name. After few seconds, instance is successfully created. You will get a public IP address and then access your browser. Application is ready now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe